previously on Thomas and the Trucks.
What's going on? Why am I going so fast? Cinders and ashes! Help! I can't stop! But one night, these all go to the scrapyard and saw something scary.
Bert, is that you? Bert.
This is a message from the government of the Sodor Railway and the British Railway. There has been a sight of an odd tank engine figure during the night time. We ask you to stay in a public place and not go alone. People and locomotives have been missing. If you see a strange tank engine, run away as possible. Lock all your doors and windows at night. The United Kingdom government will try to solve this. Thank you for your time and stay safe. This is not a drill.
Brother, where are we going? We need to get off this island fast. Now, if we take a shortcut for the fire duck, we should be safe. I hope you're right, brother. I hope we get off this hole. Brother? Brother? Oh, dear God!
Don't know where, but
I will change my mind. Don't make me change my mind. It is mine!
Now finally, the figure of the tiger jet is finally gone forever. So some people have been survived all the creatures because those figure engines. And they survive.